Creating YouTube Shorts with AI tools in Canva for a faceless YouTube channel involves leveraging Canva's capabilities along with AI tools to generate engaging short-form video content. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Log into Canva and create a new design. Open Canva, visit the Canva website, canva.com, and log into your account. Create a design. Click on the Create a Design button and select the appropriate video dimensions for YouTube Shorts, for example, 1080px by 1920px, the recommended aspect ratio for vertical videos. Step 2. Design your video ad background. Choose a background color image or use a preset template to set the backdrop for your video. Add text and graphics. Use Canva's text tools to add engaging text related to your content or message. Incorporate icons, stickers, or other graphics that suit your video's theme. Utilize AI tools. Canva's AI tools like Background Remover can help remove the background from images, making them suitable for your video. Canva's AI also offers design suggestions based on your content, helping you enhance the visual appeal. Step 3. Create animation and transitions. Animate text and graphics. Apply animation to text or graphics to create movement and engagement within the video. Add transitions. Use Canva's transition effects to smoothly transition between different elements in your video. Step 4. Integrate AI-generated content. Generate AI content. Utilize AI tools like Artbreeder or Runway ML to create AI-generated images, patterns, or animations that align with your content. Import AI-generated content. Download the AI-generated content and import it into your Canva design using the Upload feature. Integrate AI content into design. Incorporate the AI-generated content into your Canva design, adjusting size and positioning as needed. Step 5. Add audio and music. Upload audio. If you have a specific audio clip or voiceover, upload it to Canva using the Upload feature. Select Canva's audio library. Canva has a library of royalty-free music and sound effects. Choose a suitable track for your video. Step 6. Preview and save your video. Preview your video. Play the video within Canva to review how all the elements come together. Export your video. Once you're satisfied, click on the Download button to export the video in a suitable format for YouTube Shorts. Step 7. Upload to YouTube Shorts. Access YouTube Shorts. Studio, go to YouTube Shorts. Studio on YouTube and click on the plus button to upload your video. Upload your video. Select the video file you exported from Canva and upload it to YouTube Shorts. Add title and description. Provide a captivating title and a brief description to accompany your Shorts video. Publish your YouTube Short. Click Publish to make your YouTube Short live. By following these steps, you can create engaging YouTube Shorts using Canva and AI tools, aligning with the concept of a faceless YouTube channel.